Are you ready to travel to space? Let's count. 3, 2, 1. Wow, we are in outer space. Look at all the twinkling stars. Stars are big balls of hot, glowing gas just like the sun. But they are very far, far away. That's why they look tiny. Look, what is that big bright light? That's the sun. The sun is a giant ball of fire that gives us heat and light. Without the sun, the earth would be dark and cold. Moving around the sun are 8 planets. They travel in a path called an orbit, like a circle. Let's meet them one by one. This is the Mercury, the closest planet to the sun. It is very small and super hot during the day. This is Venus, covered in thick clouds. It is the hottest planet of all. The heat gets trapped and can't escape. It's our home, Earth. It has air, water, and life. We have oceans, trees, animals, and people. Look, what is that near Earth? That's the moon. The moon is Earth's natural satellite. It does not make its own light. It reflects from the sun. At night, it shines in the sky. This is Mars, the red planet. Scientists think there might have been water here long ago. This is Jupiter, the biggest planet. It is a giant ball of gas with a big storm called the Great Red Spot. This is Saturn. It has a beautiful ring made of ice and rock. So pretty. This is Uranus. It spins on its side like it's rolling. This is Neptune, very cold and windy. It is the farthest planet from the sun. Wow, we learned so much. Let's answer together. What gives us light and heat? The sun. Where do we live? Earth. What do we see at night? Stars and moon. Which planet is the biggest? Jupiter. Which planet is red? Mars. Amazing work, little astronauts. You did a fantastic job. Let's go back home. 3, 2, 1. Our adventure ends here, but learning never stops. Until our next adventure, explorers. Bye!